Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I've got a treat for you from the 1960s. It's a North American Aviation Pilot Kneeboard for strapping to your leg when you're flying an aircraft. And this is from the flight engineer from Albert Seavey. And again, it's a North American Aviation Kneeboard from the 1960s. So, ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned and we show you some of the features built into this fairly cleverly arranged kneeboard. It's not like one I've ever seen. It's nice to have, and again, it belonged to my father-in-law, Albert Seavey. So stay tuned while we examine this kneeboard.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
Now it clamps to paper both at the top and the bottom. Then you have a place where you have a little scroll with your name on it along with your rank and other information, and that's all part of the kneeboard. So you can see right there Albert Seavey, so we know who he was. Again, he was the flight engineer and on the C-130 that landed on the aircraft carrier. And then here you go, you can see the tubing there, but when you go to the bottom of the kneeboard, look right there. There's a pencil sharpener, so your pencils can be resharpened in flight if you need to. It also holds two pencils on the side, one on the left and one on the right. And then there's a big buckle strap of fiber cloth for holding to your leg. And then over there you can see the other pencil that you could use. And then there's what the front of the pad looks like. Now that one right there has a compass on there for probably chart plotting and stuff like that. But it also had some other pages and some emergency checklists and stuff. And here's the example of the buckles. And again, you know, this is 60-something years old and it's still in very good shape. And you know, my father-in-law used it quite a bit. Doesn't really show all that much wear. Well constructed, much heavier than the versions that you find today. And that's what it looks like on the back. So you can see the pencil sharpener up at the top for you to get to, the two pads to prevent it from sliding on your leg, and a good look at the buckle and grommets that go together to make up the pad. Now you also have all the paper in there, both at the top and the bottom. There were many of them in there, and also some checklists for a particular aircraft that he did a lot. So we hope you enjoyed this, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you're having fun finding stuff at your house.